In this mini-series of English pronunciation tutorials, I'm going to show you how to introduce yourself really professionally and coherently in English. And it all stems around the I diphthong, which you see behind me here. So when you introduce yourself, you're going to say hi, and you're going to say my name is, and you're probably going to say I'm from whichever country or whichever company you're from. So let's just go through each of these and just get ourselves saying each of them correctly so that you can make that really good first impression. They say it takes on average 7 subsequent encounters to change a first impression. And if you're going to a job interview or meeting someone important for the first time, you're not going to get that second opportunity again. Your pronunciation is one of the most defining factors in how people perceive you when you make a first impression. So that's why it's so important to get these few phrases correct, okay? So let's dive in and do it. So if I'm introducing myself to someone new in English, I would say, and I'd shake their hand at the same time, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? So it's really important that you watch the I diphthong tutorials explaining how to make the I sound. So you know that you're meant to be smiling, showing your teeth at the top. Hi, hi, hi. And of course you want to be smiling anyway when you're meeting someone for the first time. So, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? And can you hear how are you is all connected up. It's not hi, how are you, which would sound really robotic. It's hi, how are you? It's flowing like a wave. Hi, how are you? Okay? That's the first one. Hi, how are you? The second is I'm Michael. I'm Michael. So you're going to introduce your name, who you are, and you're going to say, I'm Michael. I'm Michael. I'm Michael. Or your name. I'm Michael. I'm Michael. Make sure when you come up, you're making that M sound for enough time. I'm Michael. I'm. So I'm still coming up smiling, but then I'm making the M sound. I'm Michael. All right? You could also say, my name is Michael. But if you're introducing yourself, you'd probably say, I'm Michael, unless you're going around the room and everyone's saying, my name is John, my name is Bill, my name is Sally, my name is Sue, and then you might say, my name is Michael, okay? But generally, if you're introducing yourself to someone, you're probably going to say, I'm, and then your name, okay? So let's have a go and just follow after me. And I want you to say your name after I'm. I'm. Okay, so that's the second thing that you're going to say when you meet someone. So then the third thing that you might say when you meet someone is I'm from, and then your country or your city or your town or the place within the country where you're from. So, or your company as well. So you could say if you're at a big corporate event and there's all these, IT companies there, you could say I'm from Microsoft, for example. So I'm from. And what I want you to think about when you're doing this is think about what you could say in that situation. Would it be I'm from Spain, for example, if you're from Spain? Or would it be I'm from Microsoft? What is immediately relevant to you and your life, okay? And the conversations that you're having on a daily basis. Think about that, and that's how you're going to be able to get immediate value from applying this to your English speech. So follow along again. I'm from. Okay, so let's bring that all together now. We've got 3 phrases there. Let's bring that together. Hi, I'm. And if you go down with a downward inflection at the end of your name, that's really good tonality for just showing assertiveness and authority. So if you say, hi, I'm Michael, and you go down at the end, Michael, instead of hi, I'm Michael. Michael is more certain, it's a statement, you know who you are, you know your name, use a downwards inflection. So either or, hi, how are you? I'm Michael, nice to meet you. I come from, okay, or hi, I'm Michael, nice to meet you. I come from, okay. Practice these one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, and just get comfortable doing it because, again, I can't stress the importance of a good first impression. Here in London, I see it so frequently where people just can't communicate themselves clearly when they're making a first impression. And again, it really has lasting consequences. So from a credibility standpoint, from a professionalism standpoint, it's really vital that you're able to communicate yourself and introduce yourself clearly and effectively, and this is how you do it. So this is exactly how you do it. Now let's do the practice and get it right.